Good morning, guys! I'm Kristen.
I'm Stephanie.
And
you're watching Krisanie.
And today is Saturday, December 13th. January 13th. So, we are vlogging today.
With the new camera.
With a new camera, yes. So we're going to go to Sham Shui and you will see what we do there. So we are on our way to lunch. What time is it? I'm bad at keeping track of time. It's about like 12:30 or something. We are here. We are here at the dim sum place. Like that. You can see the dim sum over there.
People will be on YouTube.
The menu. Oh, there's a glare, but yeah. And it looks like that. And you check off the ones you want. Those are the dim sum list. So here are all our food. That is pineapple bun with pork in it. Sweet potato mushy ball. Mochi mushy ball. Here is shrimp wrapped around with the rice which you have to put soy sauce on top. That's the sauce. Rice, the best thing ever. Look at it. Like, it's the best thing ever. And with that, we have mapatubu. More dim sum came out. The traditional dim sum in the, is this bamboo?
Yes.
In bamboo dishes. Steamer thingy. That is shrimp dumplings.
Look at that.
That is pork. Pork?
Yeah, pork ribs.
That's inside of the sweet potato mochi thing. Mochi ball.
Yeah,
and that is like meatballs.
yes, Chinese meatballs.
Chinese meatballs.
Hey guys, this is the Chinese restaurant.
Gross.
And that's where they have the roasted duck. That's roasted duck.
Roasted duck. Roasted chicken.
Squid.
Squid.
That's it.
So we are on the train.
Yes.
Going to Sham Shui.
Yes.
Wave hi, mommy. So we're on the red line right now.
Red line.
Stop, Daddy.
Yes. Stop. Daddy.
So we'll be there soon, right?
Yes. Hey guys.
So we are here at Sham Shui at
Dragon Center.
Dragon
So
Center.
we are here at Dragon Center, and
Look, this is the look.
place.
It looks like that.
And then there's a big roller coaster up there.
It looks like there's a big roller coaster up there. But anyway, we are here to go
Shopping for toys.
for squishies.
Squishy.
And you'll see what squishies are in a
slides.
moment.
So we are
Here at Apple Mall Dragon Center. And here they sell a lot of squishies and slime and kids toys. So we'll show you around. It's like only people here in Hong Kong know about this store. These stores
buy the shaving cream itself and put it inside the slime. It's kind of like adding these kind of beads into the slime.
Daddy, right here. You squish the daddy. So we went shopping. I got this backpack.
And I got this squishy.
And I got another bag. I got this stuff.
And then I got this unicorn squishy.
Oh, very nice.
After I got
Oh
four
my.
dimes.
Oh my.
Guess how much this was? 50. Guess how much this was?
30.
50, 30. This is 20.
Whoa.
And that's it.
Are you ready to see mine?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. And I got this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's a bracelet. It's so cute.
nice.
So I
And I got this.
20.
Go.
This is so cool. Look at this unicorn squishy. It is a little unicorn.
So we just finished shopping. It's like 5:20 right now. Where are we going? Okay. There's the big sign
That's the dragon.
of the dragon.
So
So we are back home. We didn't vlog anything
no, we didn't.
from Sham to here because we were on the bus 6:30 and it's not focusing. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna go drop off our stuff and go eat dinner. We dropped off our stuff and we came to a Thai restaurant. Daddy, explain the dishes here.
Yes, this is the red curry with chicken.
Those are yellow.
Yeah, I don't know why. This is the Thai salad, and this is pad Thai.
Pad Thai is
Thai.
a noodle with some
Shrimp and spices
and
and
there's like some bean
peanuts.
sprouts, little piece of egg. I'm going in. How do you pick up? Okay, I'm going in. I'm going in. Tiny doors. You are not smarty. You are chocolate smarty. Real Smarties are delicious candy rolls. You imitation Smarty. What's going on YouTube?
Look at you, mommy.
You're a caterpillar.
Caterpillar. What? You call me caterpillar? Oh, it's so adorable. So here is a recap of what we got today. I got this slime. It's not focusing.
Focus on it.
I have this little My Melody squishy. We both got 2 squishies.
I got this slime. You've probably seen this already.
I have this squishy too.
taking
This
this
is my
out.
second squishy. It's a little turtle.
And I have this slime
And it's like
right
this.
here. I have
That's
this jelly slime.
Stephanie's second slime, and then she has another one
Oh, don't show them yet. That's a big reveal.
there.
Can't see it.
And these are her squishies.
So I have the unicorn.
The unicorn.
Which is like metallic. It's so pretty. And I have this little guy, and if you squish it, he takes a while to do it. So,
It's
It's
her
this.
slime.
so it comes with this.
It comes with a little figure, and it's like a cat in a basket. So in the basket, and then more colorful slime. It's not focusing.
We didn't focus on it. Let's see if you guys can like this video, subscribe, click the notification bell in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. If you can do that, comment down below, #Krisanie fam, and we are going to reply to you. And
It's low battery, so gotta charge it. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you all next time. Always remember to keep smiling. Bye guys!